Hello everyone, this is Sam from HTFX and welcome to another video. Now in this video I would like to talk about a market situation where we might have a triple zigzag or a triple combination, okay, in the Elliot wave of terms. Now here's the deal. Okay, so whenever the market, look, this is our starting point, okay, I choose this starting point and we are going to the downside, yes? So whenever the market has a situation like this, let me try to explain in theory first so it will be easier for you guys to understand. So you have an ABC here like this, okay, which is your first zigzag. Now, the market doesn't always have to be a simple correction, by which I mean when you think about simple corrections, you have a zigzag, you have a flat, okay, you have a flat, or you will have a triangle. Such as like so. Okay, so you have A, B, C, D, and E. So these are your typical simple corrections, okay? However, the market doesn't have to do is it doesn't have to do always simple corrections. It can do some things called complex corrections, which can be a double combination, triple combination, double zigzag, triple zigzag. It can have some corrections with large X waves. The ones that I just said were with small X waves. You can have a double flat, triple flat. Anyway, so whenever this correction is not a simple correction, we think that it is going to do a complex correction. Now, in that case, one of these options is a triple zigzag. Now, triple zigzag does look like this. It has two X waves and three zigzag, hence the triple zigzag. Now, what it looks like is this. So you have the first ABC, and then you have the X wave. Of course, this should be small. Sorry, it should be small. And then another A, and then another A, and a D wave, E wave, a C wave, a C wave, and an X wave. So here's how it looks, okay? So ABCX, ABCX, ABC. Now, what this market is doing is you have the A, B, C, X wave, A, B, C, and X wave. Now, the good thing about this was, of course, I didn't see it before, but when the market reached somewhere around here, okay, of course, we didn't know back then, but when it reaches down, when it was actually in this time, when it was oversold, this was actually not a bad place to go long. Now, why? Because if it is really a triple zigzag, the market has to do something. Look, whenever you connect the first B and the second B and project it on the right side for the future price action, the third B wave supposed to come to this come to this trend line. So if in this oversold condition, if you were thinking about buying this, okay, you could have made a good amount of tips by doing that. Okay, that was not a bad trade idea. Also, what else can this be? So if A, B, C, now after this B wave, we might expect a wave C. So you may think to yourself, okay, now the trend line is came. Why it's not a good place to go short? Well, because there is actually a couple of reasons for this. Number one, this thing can also be this structure can be also a concept called a triple combination. In that case, you would have an ABC, a D wave, and an E wave. Now that changes things, okay? Because now at the third, when we are at the third, um, okay, let's do like this. See, in that case, our triangle should be something like this. Something like this. Okay, it can be. in this case, what I draw is actually not so good because it's expanding triangle, but it can be a contracting triangle as well. It can be any type of triangle, no problem. Now, here's the deal. See, in a zigzag, the what you should do in a zigzag after the wave A is done, okay, you should go a retracement level for the B wave. You should check if it's above 618, then it is not a zigzag. As simple as this, okay. So in this case, let's not think about the time perspective, okay, and let's not check this. So what I should do is after this X wave, so this is the place where X wave was done, this is where A wave is done, yes. So we should check where this B wave ends. If it ends above this, okay, then it means that we are not in a triple zigzag, but we are in a triple combination. Now in that case, this A, B, C, D, E, and all of them are corrective waves, and this C wave doesn't necessarily have to make a new low, okay? So this is why you should wait out a little bit more. What I would do personally, of course it's not financial advice, but what I would do is wait a little bit more, okay? Let's see what market is doing. If it's doing something like a triangle, then you will think what to do. And if it's doing a zigzag, then you still have this chance to trade because why? Well, because the market cannot make a fourth zigzag. Okay, it has to, the triple zigzag is the maximum it can go, or triple combination is maximum it can go. So in this time frame, this market, if this is true, of course we don't know, the market cannot move down so much more. But of course, this is not a place to take the trade yet. Okay. So I hope this makes sense, guys, and see you on the next video. And please don't take anything I say as financial advice. Thank you. Bye bye.